Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Plugged in your USB drive, only to be met with a message saying it's corrupted and needs to be formatted? In this video, I will show you several effective methods for troubleshooting and repairing your faulty USB drive. Let's go. USB drives can be prone to corruption, which in some cases can result in inconvenience and data loss. Thankfully, there are other ways to resolve USB corruption or issues without formatting. But before you try to repair it, first, use this tool to safely rescue all your data from the troubled drive. Pull off photos, documents, and anything else you can't lose. Once all your important files are safely copied to your computer, you can now try to fix the corrupted USB using the next methods. Using a special data recovery tool makes it easy to get your lost files back without needing to be a tech expert. I've tried a lot of recovery software, but this one here was, in my tests, is the most effective at bringing lost files back. It can recover nearly any type of files like documents, photos, videos, and more from different storage devices such as hard drives, USB drives, or memory cards, even if they were deleted, formatted, lost due to system crashes or viruses and other situations. So, if you need to get your files back, click the link below to download this tool to get 2 GB of free data recovery when you install it for the first time. Once you've installed the software, you'll see the main screen where you can choose the specific drive, folder, USB drive, or even the recycle bin where your missing files were stored. Next, click Search for Lost Data to let the software thoroughly scan the chosen storage to find deleted, hidden, or badly damaged files. Keep in mind that how long the scan takes will depend on how big your storage device is and how fast it works. If you find the files you're looking for early, you can stop the scan at any time. After the scan is finished, the software neatly organizes all recoverable files into 2 easy-to-navigate sections: Path and Type. Choose the Path option if you remember exactly where your lost files were originally saved, or go to the Type section to look through the recovered data based on file types like photos, videos, and documents instead. In case the software finds a lot of files, you can use the search bar to quickly find a specific data by keywords, or click Filter to narrow down your search by file type, date modified, or file size. Once you've found your files, just tick the checkboxes next to them, or click the top checkbox to select everything at once. Finally, click the Recover button. Make sure to save the recovered files somewhere different from where they were lost, so you don't accidentally overwrite other data. Remember, scanning and previewing files is completely free, but recovering them to your computer requires a premium subscription. After recovering your files, the next method is to use the check utility to fix a corrupted USB drive. This is the simplest way to repair a flash drive that the system can detect and allocate a letter to, but that is not physically destroyed. This procedure won't result in any data loss. To do this, connect the USB drive to your PC. Detect the mouse symbol on this PC and select it. Right-click on the USB drive and select Properties. Then go to the Tools tab and tap the Check button. Proceed to scan and repair, and after that, your PC will automatically attempt to retrieve the bad sectors. If finished, right-click on the flash drive icon and select Eject. Then remove the drive from the USB port. Another effective method for fixing a corrupted USB drive is the CHKDSK command. This is a built-in Windows utility that checks and fixes disks. Using this utility is the best way to resolve corruption without formatting the drive. To proceed, type Command in the Windows search bar, right-click on Command Prompt, and Run as administrator. Type this here, where X needs to be replaced with the letter of your USB drive. Then press the Enter button. This will scan and repair your USB drive. Reboot your PC afterward. Lastly, another factor that can lead to drive corruption is outdated or incompatible USB drivers. To resolve this issue, on your PC, launch the search bar, type Device Manager, and press Enter. Expand Disk Drives. Right-click on the USB drive that you want to fix without formatting. Then click Update Driver. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.